Good morning, my dear students of 8th standard. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 6, that is impact of British rule on India. So my dear students, in this chapter we will study that when British rule was established in India, what was its impact? What was the problems which Indians had faced from the hands of the Britishers? So this chapter will tell us what was the impact of British rule on the life of the Indian people. So, my dear students, when Britishers conquer India, it brought remarkable changes in the cultural, social, and educational setup. So, the administrative structure of the British India was designed and developed to serve the British interest. The main emphasis was placed on maintenance of law and order to set so that trade with the India and exploitation of its resources could be carried out without any disturbance. So, my dear students, Britishers changed the condition of India according to their needs, means whatever was necessary for them and what was their need, they changed the whole Indian system according to their own necessity. Because India became the major and the big market for the British goods, and it was also the market or the source of chief raw material for the British. So, when British did not come to India, the Indian villagers were self-sufficient village community. So their only relation with the government was only paying revenue. Otherwise, all the needs of the people of the village were fulfilled by the people of their own village. So, but when the Britishers came in India, they broke the self-sufficient economy of the villages. They appointed their own officials to collect the revenue in cash instead of kind. So farmer began to produce the crops which had high demand in the market. The village cottage industry was ruined because cheap machine made goods flooded market. So disappearance of Indian rulers, court, nobility gave big blow to the handicraft because they were the main customers. New land revenue system. So, my dear student, the main source of income for the British in India was land revenue system. So, they tried many new systems in India which can reduce their income or revenue in India. The first was Ijardari system, which was introduced in India by Warren Hastings. According to it, the land revenue was auctioned to the highest bidder for the period of 5 years. So this was totally the system of exploitation of the farmers of India. So next was permanent settlement. It was done by Lord Cornwallis in 1793 in Bengal and Bihar, in which land was given to Zamindar on the permanent basis, and Zamindar became the owner of the land, and the land revenue was fixed with the Zamindar, and it was Zamindar who was supposed to collect and pay the land revenue to the British government. If Zamindars were failed to pay, the lands were confiscated and it was transferred to some others who could pay their land revenue. Then we had Rawatwadi system. It was introduced by Sir Reed and Sir Thomas Munro. According to it, the settlement was made with royals or the cultivator, and this Rawatwadi system, in which land revenue was fixed for the period of 30 years. This system was introduced in Madras and Bombay Presidency in 1823. Then we had Mahalwadi system, which was introduced in Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Northwest Frontier Provision, and in Punjab. So in this settlement was made with villages. So all these systems were made in order to get more land revenue from the peasants because land revenue was the main source of income for the British government.